Morning fellas. So we're on the maiden voyage of the Titanic. Hopefully the Titanic anyway. The homemade fishing kayak. I've just come down to Woodman's Point, Cockburn Sound, and we're just going to troll along the shallows, see if we can get a squid or a sand whiting, maybe even some stinky old herring. Yeah, beautiful morning, little bit of wave action, but it's not too bad. The kayak is sitting quite low in the water, which is a little bit concerning, and I've got a little bit of water in the bottom, but that doesn't worry me too much. Get a wet ass, that's alright. But yeah, it's not very stable. So we'll potentially end up in the water at some stage, especially if these little wind waves keep rocking through, because the water could just come straight over the edge and flood me and tip me over. But hey, it always is fun, doesn't it? It's about 4:45 in the morning, hardly a breath of wind, just a little wee bit, and she's beautiful. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see if we can get a feed on our first ever trip. How do I get rid of this bloody water out of here? I didn't bring a baler. The other kayak I've got at home, the one I scored the other day, it actually sits quite a bit higher in the water. Yeah, it's a lot deeper of a boat. It's about sort of that deep. This one here is quite shallow, so that one actually might be a little bit more stable. I think it's slightly wider as well. Yeah, I don't know that I'd want to pull in a really big fish in this. Probably tip me over straight away, I reckon. But anyway, we're into it. And that's what it's all about, getting out and doing it. That net's going to be a pain in the ass sitting there like that. Oh, water coming over into his bum. Let me see. Oh. Well, this is a bloody disaster. That didn't take long at all. I was hoping we'd at least get a bit of fishing in. Off both my fishing rods. That's no bloody good. I'm not going to be able to get back in it. don't think. I have to come out here with the dive gear and retrieve my fishing rods now. Bugger! Hey, we had a crack at it, didn't we? And if you don't have a go, you don't get anywhere in life. I think she's going to be a lake fishing boat. Catching trout, perch, down in the irrigation lakes down south, I think. So yeah, I don't want to be doing this every time I go fishing. Bloody fishing rod. God damn it. No. Oh, we'll swim back to shore, I think. She needs some outriggers on it. Modifications are the key. It needs an outrigger. A couple of outriggers actually. I don't think that'll be too hard to do. Righto, into shore we go. Got my old GoPro with me, and I didn't put it in the waterproof case, I just had it in the normal case, so I've probably bloody soaked that. But it won't be the first time that's gone for a swim. I've dried it out and it still works, so here's hoping again. Geez, lucky I can swim. That's why, folks, you always wear a life jacket in the water. When you're on your boat, out on your fishing kayak, whatever, put a life jacket on. If I wear these vest type ones, you don't even know you got them on. And one day, they might just save your life. That, fellas, is today's tip. Wear your life jackets. Well, she's a bloody beautiful morning for a swim, if nothing else. The water is absolutely beautiful. Oh, and there's the bottom. Righto, so it's 6 o'clock. That was very short-lived. Feels like the boat's full of water as well. So here's part of the problem, and I haven't worked out yet how this has happened, but she's filled up with water. Major problem. So I'm going to have to work out where that water's coming in. That's a lot of water. Oh well, that's the end of that little exercise. Off home for a cup of tea. Actually, while I'm wet and while it's fresh in the mind, I'll probably just grab the snorkeling gear and come back and swim out and try and find those fishing rods, because I'm buggered if I want to leave them out there. 2 fishing rods, only cheapies, but still, if I don't have to replace them, that would be the preferred option. Well, back at the truck. That was a successful snorkel. Found both rods. First one I saw was floating, handle up, and it was caught on the bottom by the squid jig. So it stayed pretty much in the same place I lost it, which was good, because that then led me to the second one. I just had a quick look around, and there, laying on the sand, was the second rod. So that was definitely worth grabbing the snorkel mask and coming down. Righto, back home. I'll edit this video and chuck this up on YouTube, and think about some redesign, or maybe concentrate on the other kayak I've got, because I think that's going to be a bit more stable, higher in the water. I've got to work out why all that water was getting in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it made you laugh. And hit that like button. Give us some comments. It all helps with the channel. Helps my subscriber count. If you haven't already subscribed and you're enjoying what I'm doing, then subscribe for us. And stay tuned till the next episode. Thanks for your support. We'll catch you later.